Hello there. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will look into the health benefits of a spinach, popularly known as Basella, or Malabar spinach. You will also know how this spinach is cooked in different cultures, where it grows, how to grow and preserve, and possible side effect of the spinach. So, in order to know the detail of this popular tropical vine, please watch the video until the end. Basella Alba or Basella Rubra is the scientific name for Malabar spinach. It's also known as Indian spinach, Ceylon spinach, East Indian spinach, vine spinach, climbing spinach, Chinese spinach, Cyclone spinach and Alugbati. In Malaysia the spinach is known as Bayam Malabar or Rimayang. In Chinese it is called San Choy. In Bengali it is Puishek. Mung Doi in Vietnamese, and Alugbati in Philippines. Basella or Malabar spinach is an edible and a popular tropical leafy green vegetable, commonly grown as a backyard herb in the home gardens. Native to the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia and New Guinea, the vine is also naturalized in China, tropical Africa, Brazil, Belize, Colombia, Philippines, the West Indies, Fiji, and French Polynesia. Basella can be easily grown from seeds, or from cuttings. Being a tropical vine, Basella grows well under full sunlight with hot, humid climates in sandy loam soils, rich in organic matter with pH ranging from 5.5 to 8.0. Basella can be found in two varieties as Basella Alba, and Basella Rubra. Basella Alba is the one with green stems and deep green leaves, whereas Basella Rubra features purplish stems and dark green leaves with pink veins. Being an edible spinach, Basella is used in various cuisines. In Sri Lanka, it is used to make different kinds of curries, especially with dal. In the Philippines, it is usually cooked with sardines, onions, garlic, and parsley. In Bangladesh and India, it is widely used both in vegetable dishes, cooked with red pumpkin or coconut, and in non-vegetarian dishes, cooked with fish or with shrimp. Historically, the red variety of Basella Alba has also been used to make red dye in China. Basella is rich in vitamins and minerals. The following table shows the list of vitamins and minerals for a serving size of 1 cup or 44 grams of Basella. Let's look at some of the important health benefits of consuming Basella. Malabar spinach is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is important for proper digestion. Dietary fiber present in Malabar spinach can facilitate smooth movement in your intestines and help in the prevention of bowel problems. Besides, the thick, fleshy leaves of Malabar spinach are an excellent source of non-starch polysaccharides, mucilage, whereas mucilaginous leaves facilitate easy digestion of food. Malabar spinach is a rich source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A is required for maintaining healthy mucous membranes and skin. Consumption of natural vegetables and fruits rich in vitamin A and flavonoids has been thought to offer protection from lung and oral cavity cancers. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, which helps the human body develop resistance against infectious agents, and scavenge harmful oxygen-free radicals. Proper blood pressure is very important for healthy human body function. Potassium is a mineral that helps increase blood flow, control heartbeat, and improve oxygen levels. Malabar spinach contains a very high amount of potassium, which is about 11% of recommended daily allowance per 100 gram serving. One of the many benefits of dietary fiber is its ability to slow down the rise of blood sugar levels. The absorption of glucose is slower when high-fiber foods are eaten. The high-fiber content in Malabar spinach can help control your blood glucose levels and also help those with diabetes. Another key health benefit of Malabar spinach is its ability of lowering cholesterol due to the presence of fiber. Fiber has the capability to effectively reduce the level of LDL, also known as bad cholesterol, which improves blood flow and lowers the risk of developing heart diseases. Basella or Malabar spinach is an excellent source of iron. 100 grams fresh Malabar spinach contains about 1.20 milligrams or 15% of the daily intake of iron. Iron is an essential trace element required by the human body for the production of red blood cells, RBC. Iron deficiency can hurt the hemoglobin production in your red blood cells, which makes it more difficult for your red blood cells to carry oxygen and in many cases cause anemia. Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think and how you act. The intake of folate with adequate amount of veggies as well as plant foods helps to treat the depression naturally. Basella or Malabar spinach contains good amounts of many B-complex vitamins such as folate, vitamin B6, and riboflavin. 100 grams fresh Basella leaves provide 140 micrograms or 35% of folates. This vitamin is one of the essential compounds for DNA synthesis and growth. Folate deficiency during the very early stages of pregnancy might result in neural tube defects in the newborn baby. Anticipating and pregnant women are, therefore, advised to include a lot of fresh greens in their diet to help prevent neural tube defects in the offspring. Ayurveda is an alternative medicine system with historical roots in the Indian subcontinent. Ayurveda recommends Basella in anemia and dysentery. It has been attributed with gastroprotective activity, ulcer healing, anti-inflammatory activity, wound healing activity. Basella Alba is reported to improve testosterone levels in males, thus boosting libido. Decoction of the leaves is recommended as a safe laxative in pregnant women and children. Externally, the mucilaginous leaf is crushed and applied in urticaria, burns and scalds. Fresh Malabar spinach can be easily found all around the seasons in the tropical belt. However, in the US and Europe, you will find the spinach only in selected groceries, specialized in selling Asian vegetables and herbs. Basella has a relatively good shelf life. To store them in the refrigerator, wrap the leaves in a damp cloth and place them in an airtight zip pouch or plastic bag. Although the greens can be stored in the fridge for up to 4 days, fresh leaves should be eaten at the earliest to get maximum nutrition benefits. I hope you have received some important information about Basella or Malabar spinach in this video. If you have liked the video and found the information provided in this video is useful, please do not forget to click the like button. To watch more similar video in this channel, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video in this channel, please click also the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Hope to see you soon with my new video. Until then, eat more spinach and remain healthy. Goodbye.